Hey everybody, I'm gonna swap out this stock steering stabilizer on the 2015 JKU Jeep Wrangler with this Bilstein 5100 steering stabilizer I just got delivered today from extremeterrain.com. So let me get started. We're going to use a 19mm socket, 1/2-inch drive. I'm going to take off this nut and that nut and do the swap. So let me get this started. So wanted to break in, let you guys know that the nuts are a constant torque type nut. So they're a little bit snug and couldn't really get them with the ratchet handle. So here we have a quite large breaker bar, put that on there and got them started loosening up pretty good. So now I'm going to switch over to the ratchet and get them the rest of the way off. All right, you can see I've got it off. Notice fluid leakage around the seal here. Also no return to extended position under its own pressure whatsoever. It's pretty easy to pop it off. Slight bit of assistance with the handle of the pry bar to pop the one side off. The other side came off pretty easy. So that's why we're replacing this. So let's see if we can get the new one in position. It does have a return, so I may have to get in and start the vehicle and turn the wheels all the way to the left to get it on there, but we'll find out. Yeah, as you can see, got it back in position. I was able to just manually push it in with my hand, get it lined up, push it on the end of the rod bolt mechanism that holds it in place on that bracket there. By the way, this is lifted. I believe it's about a 4-inch lift on this, so there's possibly a different bracket here than what might be stock, but you can see I got it on there. I'm going to tighten it up and it'll basically be done, ready for a test drive. Back in a minute. All right, so that took me all of about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so to install that. We're going to put the tools away, do a quick test drive, and maybe post a review later on Extreme Terrain. Have a good night.